Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
YouTube, we have a problem. Hey, YouTube. My baby has given out on me. It has given out on me. After 4 years of greatness, she is done with me. And it's okay. No, it's not okay. But it's going to be okay. Because, let me tell y'all, let me start off by saying this is the Ninja Indoor Grill. They upgraded the version to, it comes now as a griddle, but I got it before that version came out. So this model does not have the griddle, but it has the features of air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. I never really used the grill option. I just used the grill option because Memorial Day just passed and I did not like it. I don't know, maybe it's because it was dying on me and I didn't realize. I use roast and air fry mainly. Like, at this point, when people come to my house and they see me use it, they think it's an air fryer. They don't even think it's a grill, which is why I'm not really mad, because I wasn't really using it what it's destined to be used for. But let me tell you the problem that I'm having. Cooking with Doug, who is one of my favorite review cooking YouTube channels, showed me a few years ago when he reviewed this, because he has this also, I don't know if he still has it, that you can bypass the preheat, right? Which I've been doing for 4 years. I feel like bypassing this preheat has made this machine die. Okay? So, little hash brown. Listen, I had it for a long time, so don't judge me by the way it look inside. Oh, and it's so hard to clean. Like, I had to buy, like, get, like, brushes, and it's very Brillo. It's very hard to clean. So, if I put on air crisp, I want it on 350. A little less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes is a little crazy. Let's do 10, right? I press start. Now, it's saying that it's preheating, right? Now, what you used to do is you used to be able to just lift it up and it'll bypass the preheat. It's not doing that no more. So, still not doing that. This is what it's like. This is what it's like. It's telling me to add the food. I open it to add the food. It's not registering that I opened it. So what I have to do is I have to go to air crisp. Let's do it again. 345, 350. 10 minutes. Start. And then I'm just gonna let it rock out right here. And then you guys are gonna see what's gonna happen. So now it's saying to add food. So the timer went away, right? And it's just going to keep running and running and running, because it preheated already. Now it's saying to add the food. But if I lift this up, it's supposed to register that I lift it up to add the food, and it's not knowing that. It just stays like this the whole entire time. There's no timer. It's just going to cook it. So, yes, my baby has died on me. I'm going to miss this machine so much. Like, it really carried this legacy with Ninja. Like, that's why I'm not even mad at it. It made so many great, fantastic meals. I'm not even mad at it. I do want to get the Ninja Kabi, because I feel like for my cabinet space, lifting this up like this is very annoying. And this is the part of my kitchen that has high cabinets. This is the part of my kitchen that has the low cabinet. So if I was to put it over here, oh, it would barely open. And I have the problem with the Ninja Coffee too. I have to like bring it more up to be able to open it, because my cabinets is so low. But that's fine. This is a different video for a different time, but I did do an unboxing of this baby right here, so check out that video. But when it comes to this, I'm not really that mad at it. I do want to try the Ninja Kabi, because it opens this way, like it comes out to open. I don't have to worry about lifting it up. And it's supposed to be able to make like rice and pasta at the bottom, and then at the top you make your meats and stuff. So I'm curious to see how what that's gonna be like. It's actually cheaper, because I paid when this came out, I paid $400 from it. I bought it from Kohl's. Yes, it was $400. I had 20% off coupon, so it came with a 3 and some change. But I wanted this thing so bad. But the Ninja Kabi is only like $2, so it's cheaper than what I originally paid for this. And yeah, so guys, I still say if you want it, get it. I recommend it. I basically broke it by trying to beat the system and bypassing the preheat for 4 years, which is why it broke. But if you're going to follow the rules and don't bypass the preheat, I say get it. It's wonderful. It's fantastic. I love it. And yeah, if you have any comments or if you have any questions, just comment down below and let me know. It's still, and it's cooking it too. I forgot to show this part. It's cooking it. You see? It's definitely, it still cooks. It's just, where's the timer? So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.